Hey, good morning everybody. Time check. It's 7:50 a.m. in the morning. So kakagising lang namin. Magsi-swimming kami ngayon. Pupunta kaming Anda since it's holiday here in Bohol. Walang pasok yung kids, walang pasok din to, guys. Kaya pupunta kaming Anda ngayon. Yes. Papunta na kaming Anda. Yung mga bata nasa sasakyan na. So another day, another vlog day. Pag walang pasok, automatic 'yun, no. Hi.
Hello.
Dito na sila. Super ready na sila. Oh. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
So, let's go. So, papunta na kami. Medyo yung Anda kung nasan kami ngayon is quite far, almost an hour. I think 1 hour yung biyahe. Oh. Ang daming dahon sa ano. Ganyan talaga pag walang maayos na parking. Oh. So, biyahe muna kami mga peps. So, syempre, para makatipid kami ng pagkain, may dala kaming rice. Tapos, bumili siyang fried chicken, tsaka lechon manok. So, yun lang namin. Yun lang baon namin, tsaka rice. Siguro bibili kami ng chips sa may... Bili kami chips, tapos fruits. Then, yun lang. Then, tuloy na yung biyahe namin. Kasi, malayo pa eh. Nasa Ubay pa lang kami. So, syempre, malapit na kami. Update muna tayo. Update after driving 30 minutes. Nasa Alicia na kami ngayon. Alicia. After this is Candijay. Then after Candijay is Gindum and then Anda. And time check, it's 8:55. So tuloy tayo. Tuloy sa pagdadrive. Tapos ka ng gamay na 3 seconds. And ngayon nasa Anda na kami after 1 hour yata, 1 hour 20 minutes. So huminto kami dito sa may anong tawag nito, yung may sign na welcome to Anda. So magpipicture daw muna sila, ayan o. So sobrang lapit na namin. Yun na. Nasa Anda na kami. Wala pang 9:30, siguro malapit na mag 9:30. Walang ano ngayon. Tapos ngayon, today, I think it's very cloudy here in Anda. Yeah. Sun is not around. Yeah. And anyway, I'm gonna do prank there in Anda. So I'll show it to you guys, how amazing it is to live in Bohol. You only need to drive within like 1 or 2 hours for you to go to a beautiful beach. Yes. And yeah, today, because Anda, by the way, they don't have the entrance fee. No entrance fee here. And the place is so beautiful. It is very beautiful. And I think the only thing we need to pay is just we need to pay for the environmental fee. Yeah. They have environmental fee here. Yeah. And I don't know why there's an environmental fee in Anda, because every time we go to, every time we visit Panglao or Alona, they don't ask for environmental fee. Yeah. Why? That's my question though. If you are watching this video and you are from Anda and you know why, let me know, okay? I want you guys to let me know why Panglao doesn't have an environmental fee, and in Anda there is an environmental fee. Both of them are they're just from, both of the towns are from Bohol. There are towns in Bohol, but one is asking for environmental fee and the other one is not. I'm not complaining the environmental fee. I just want to understand why there is. Yep. So after taking photo, we're gonna continue drive. Yes, of course. So, and well, we only brought rice and roasted chicken and fried chicken. Yeah, yeah. And we bought also mango. You know, we brought mango, fruit mango. Hopefully we can get banana there. Yep, and chips, of course, chips. Yeah, yeah. So let's go.
Tong.
Yon. Nasa Anda na kami. Yan yung public market ng Anda. So sa unahan lang. Liliko ko na kami dito sa isang public beach dito sa sa Anda. Ito na. So switch natin yung camera. Ayan. Is naambon dito ngayon. Dito kami sa Kinali Beach. Ayan na. So ayun ang dagat oh. So, syempre, nasa Anda na kami. Nasa ano kami ngayon? Nasa Kinali Beach. Ayun oh.
Kinali Beach.
So, nakapark na. Park na pupunta kami Anda. Bababa na kami kasi maghanap kami pwede pag tambayan ng mga kids. So, yun na. So after ilang oras ba yun? Almost 2 hours, 1 hour and a half guys. Tsaka kami nakarating dito sa sa Kinali Beach. Yes, so, let's go. Dahil holiday ngayon, dito kami sa Anda. Yes, ayun na. So mamaya mag-video ako papunta dun sa beach. So kukunin ko lang mga gamit. Sige. I already paid, yeah. Hey everybody, nasa nasa Kinali Beach na kami dito sa Anda. So papunta na kami dun, no? Ayun na. Go baby girl. Guys, tinagyan ba yung takip ng ulo niya kasi naambon dito ngayon. Naambon. Go baby. Thank you. Kali na mga bata. So, Maria Aguilar. Kami nasa Kinali Beach na. Kami lang 5. Oo. Yun. Tapos bagong linis. Nilinisan na yung gilid ng kalsada. Ayan na. Yun na yung beach, guys. Sobra ganda, di ba? Walang Yes. Siyempre, no, you need to pay for it. Pay for the table. Pero ang gagawin namin yun, hindi kami i-arkila ng table. No? Kasi dito, yung table nila may bayad, 150 yata yung table. Pero ang gagawin namin is, sana lang kami sa, we'll stay, we'll look for some place where we can sit down. Because kids would like to go around here, yeah. One thing I want to commend this place, it's very clean here. Very clean, look at that. Yeah, very, very clean. And saw some people also here. Yeah. So, yeah, perfect for the kids, guys. The water, it's very low tide. Low tide. Look. Yan. Grabe ang ganda. Yeah. Look at that, we're walking in a white sand beach, guys.
Sand beach.
White sand.
Oh, it's a good thing we have the
Kahoy.
Yeah.
And ito yung nakita namin sa beach yan.
Good spot.
Then may kahoy dito.
Okay, go in the sea, Papa.
Yeah, you can go there.
Ba't ako narinig?
And dito lang kami pupwesto. Tabi. So lagyan namin ng pagkain dito. Finn, put the food here, Finn. So yan lang, dito lang kami upo, guys. What? Ayun na. So, ayan, so dito lang kami upo. Upo lang kami sa tawag nito, lab. Can you hold this one?
Sure.
Dito lang kami sa buhangin upo. Yes. Ayun na si Finn, no? What is that? What's going on here? Ah, it's a tunnel. Kutsawa.
Oh, not that. It's Kabagnoki.
Kabognoki. No, this is the beach. Just the beach. guys, yeah. Don't worry, we'll get you kutsara, okay? So, dito muna kami guys. And, syempre, kutsara? Go get the kutsara. At mama kutsara. And, syempre, mamaya, maliligo muna yung mga kids kasi sobrang ganda pa ng dagat. Ayun, oh. Grabe! Walang kaalon-alon ngayon. May araw, pero super cloudy siya. Yun. And, mamaya-maya, kain muna kami ng lunch, tapos mangpaprang kami after. Pero sa ngayon, maliligo muna yung mga bata. Oh. Tapos syempre, maligo din ako. Let's go!
Let's go into the beach. Wala ka.
That's very bad, Rinin.
Ganito kaganda dito sa Bohol. This place is just 1 hour and 30 minutes away from home. Super ganda. Pupuntahan ko yun na parang sandbar.
Yeah, now in Pilar.
Rinin, help Ava, Rinin. Help Ava. Ayo, sumuga.
Dinabo.
Sobra na dito. Super sarap man mag-relax dito guys. Perfect place for you to take a break and breathe in and refocus. Yes. Tiritan pa si kuya oh.
Even the thing is something. Aba, dili mo sama.
You got it oh. Ayaw dito na.
Hi, Ava.
Hi.
You're ligo.
Bigo na bibi kina wasa ang buhok. Niya na sige. What's up, buhok na? Yeah. That's a starfish in the video. Guys, we saw a starfish and another starfish here. We're gonna put it in the sleeper. Up there. So, that's what we watch on YouTube, Nat. Look at the... Oh, it's moving! Look at the legs. You see that?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Move siya bin. Sumutin sa.
That's the starfish you watch in the video, right?
Yeah. Starfish. Did you see the starfish? Where's the starfish? Hey. You're muddy. Hoy, who's this? It looks like it's tahi.
No, ayaw. Nak, ayaw. Ayaw. Ano siya ba, nak?
It looks like tahi, aba.
Ang sarap maligo. Siyempre, pag naligo ka, magugutom ka talaga. Buti na lang may dala kaming baon. May baon kaming kanin, tsaka chicken. Tsaka chicken ulit. Yeah. Yan lang baon namin, guys. Oo. Ih, may mga ano. Pero eto baon namin ng chichirya. Dumaan kaming ano kanina, Mercury. Babalik ako dun mamaya. Pero, syempre, tapos na ako maligo eh. Thank you for watching. Madilim na.
No, more, it's like light sa imong likod ba?
Mga ano, do it like here. Better if we get it so much better. And anyway, everybody, thank you. Thank you for watching. And once again, this is Golden Stream. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, everyone.